What's going on, you guys? RJ with RJ's Trades, back with another free Sunday watch list. You already know what's going on. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. At 1,000 subs, we are doing 4 free classes. We got the day trading class, we're doing the swing trading class, we're gonna do the chart patterns class, and we're going to do the break and retest class. So those are 4 free classes I'm doing when I get to 1,000 subs, man. And I'm also gonna do a crazy little stream. All right, I'm gonna do a crazy live stream party. All right. So yeah, make sure leave a like, comment, subscribe, so we just get to as many people and help as many people as possible. All right, let's go ahead and get started here, man. We're gonna start with SPY. We're at highs, so y'all, it's nothing you can do besides keep playing the highs and be cautious. Play the dips. That's really all you can do right now until you get a substantial pullback. It's nothing else you can do. All right. Now QQQ on the other hand, QQQ looks a little interesting. QQQ is forming a little bit of a head and shoulders. So to invalidate this, we really need to close above 578 to really kind of invalidate this. I mean, the head and shoulders really won't start until we break at least 562. But it's there. It's there. Let's see if we look at the 4 hour. Does it look even more like a head and shoulders? So man, yeah, that does like a nice little head and shoulders on that. So I'm gonna be kind of open to anything, right? I don't know what's gonna happen. Also be aware that market's not open on Monday. We'll be back live trading and things like that on Tuesday. Okay, so let's just be cautious, man. I got a few stocks that I want to talk about with you guys today, and one of those is gonna be AMD. Okay, now AMD is very interesting. This is a triangle pattern here, and it looks like it might want to try to break downside. Now that's kind of interesting. AMD really needs to hold 160. You could possibly even start looking for risky puts around 161. Yeah, we really indefinite puts if it doesn't hold 158, but under 161, you can really start to kind of look at some puts heavily right there. I mean, even just a few days of drop on AMD could probably send it down to the 148, 150 range. That would be nothing. I mean, because it will still be up a crazy amount from the lows of this year. So that would be still a healthy pullback. So watch out for AMD. Another one to watch out for is going to be FI, which we've been talking about this for like 3 weeks now, right? So I'm still in FI. FI, just like last week, it's still flagging. So it looks good still. So I'm still holding my position, okay? Another one that I like, and I'm gonna save my favorite one for last. Okay, Rocket Lab. Still keep Rocket Lab on your radar. You see, we broke out here. Play is not over yet. It's still holding strong. So if it gets above 50.94, look to try to take it to the all-time high at that point, right? So I love that as a day trade. I like that one more so as a day trade. FI, of course, we in a swing on that one. One swing that we was in that I got stopped out of was SMCI. So I got stopped out of SMCI here. This was a perfect A+ setup here. And I told him, I said, hey, if I'm gonna be wrong, I'm gonna be wrong here. All right, so we did get the entry here. Very nice entry, bullish engulfing at support at the trend line. Played around at the trend line for a few days and just rejected, right? So tried to make a new low. So at this point now, just kind of seeing if it's gonna hold 40. It does have a history of, chopping a lot before giving some type of move. And even when it gets to move, you only get a day or two. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see, man. That's SMCI. What else we got here? I think it was another one that I really liked. Rocket Lab, of course. I like Rocket Lab this week. AMD. Those are two to watch. So watch Rocket Lab upside, watch AMD for downside, possibly. What else we got here? Coinbase not doing much. Lulu not doing much. One thing that I want you guys to keep on your radar is Amazon. So this one's not ready yet, but just keep it on your radar. All right, Amazon has a inverse head and shoulders, right? But they need to break above like 234, 235 to start breaking this. And if it does, it should be gone. Okay, so watch out for Amazon. Amazon could be a nice move, but it's not ready yet. All right, now the play that I do love, save this best for last, man. If I can type it in right. Fortinet FTNT. Okay, I really like this play. Okay, so first things first, you got to always be aware of where the stock is. Right now, I see my green box right here. Notice that in this green box right here was a resistance. Notice when we broke, we came back and gave it a perfect break and retest, and we took off. Now we have dropped back to the same box. We actually dropped below. They pushed it back up, and now they're consolidating it in the box. So I'm gonna put money on it. I'm betting on it to go to the upside. This is my favorite setup right now. I'm betting on the upside here, all right? Because we already have proven that buyers like this level. Now, could we get stopped out again? We could, and that's the luck of the draw. You know, it's trading is all about probability, and you know, you got to take the side of the probability here. So we have a stock that is holding support at a place that we've already proven to be a support, and we have a bullish pennant pattern. Okay, so we got a bullish chart pattern. We're holding support. And we also have a crazy gap towards the upside. So we have a gap from like 81 up to 96. So that you got a $15 gap. I'm putting my coins up there on the upside, and if I lose, so be it. All right. So this is my favorite play to watch, FTNT. A+ setup right here. I love this setup. So this week we're gonna be watching FTNT. I'm still holding my F5 position. Watch out for AMD for possible downside. It was one more, Rocket Lab. Watch out for Rocket Lab as well. Possible upside above 50.94. All right. So not gonna hold you guys long today, man. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you guys get us to 1,000 subs. So like, share, and subscribe this. Okay. Once we get to 1,000 subs, I am going to be hosting 4 free classes. All right. So there's going to be a class on day trading, class on swing trading, a class on chart patterns, and a class on the break and retest strategy. Okay, so I'm really giving you guys all my secrets, right, just for getting to 1,000 subs. So I think we like 30 away, something like that. Yeah, something like that. So we're not too far away at all, man. I think we can get this knocked out here pretty quickly. So thank you guys for all the love and support, man. Once again, you guys like this, let me know if this is helpful. Every week I get on here and give you guys my plays, and I'll show you what we do. Win, loss, or draw. I've been doing this for 6 years, so it don't matter to me. We're gonna keep going. All right. Follow links down below. Follow me on Instagram. Join the free Discord or the paid one, whichever one you want to do. And that's what we got this week, man. Stay cautious, because we are at highs. You see, QQQ had the head and shoulders, but don't play scared either. All right. Let's go. Y'all be safe, and y'all have a great week. Hope you enjoy your Labor Day. We'll be back at it Tuesday. See y'all later.